Hello, welcome to the brand new session of EC Council's the all new certified ethical hacking course, right? So, build your career with the most in demand cybersecurity certification in the world. So, the certified ethical hacker, which is the world's number one ethical hacking certification for 20 years, maybe more than that. So, first of all, we need to understand who is a certified ethical hacker. So, a certified ethical hacker is a specialist typically working in a red team environment focused on attacking computer system and gaining access to the networks, application, database, and other critical data on secured system. So, the certified ethical hacker understands attack strategies, the use of creative attacker vector, and mimics the skills and creativity of malicious hackers. Unlike malicious hackers and actors, certified ethical hackers operate with the permissions from the system owners and take all the precautions to ensure the outcomes remains confidential. Bug bounty researchers are expert ethical hackers who use their attack skills to uncover vulnerabilities in the systems. So before we start our this new course, we need to understand what is CEH, right? So the certified ethical hacker has been battle hardened over the last 20 years, creating hundreds of thousands of certified ethical hackers employed by top companies, militaries, and governments worldwide. So, in its 12th version, the certified ethical hacker provides comprehensive training, hands-on learning labs, practice cyber ranges for engagements, certifications, assessments, cyber competitions, and opportunities for continuous learning into one comprehensive program curated through our new learning framework. Learn, certify, engage, and compete, right? So here you can say the certified ethical hacker also equips aspiring cybersecurity professional with the tactics, techniques, and procedures to build ethical hacker who can uncover weakness in nearly any type of target system before cyber criminals do. So here there are 5 phases of ethical hacking which we will discuss in our this course. The first will be the reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, and covering tracks. We are not going into the deep because we are having a different kind of sections for these particular topics because these topics are very huge. So yes, I will also enjoy this kind of training with you guys. And obviously, what's new in this, right? So we need to understand this is a specialized and one of the kind training program to teach you everything you need to know about ethical hacking with hands-on training, lab assessments, and a mock engagement where and in fact global hacking competition as well. So stay on the top of the game with the most in demand skill required to succeed in the field of cybersecurity. So first of all, there are master hacking skills that go beyond the certifications, right? The first, you need to learn, then certify, engage, and the competition. So the new learning framework covers not only a comprehensive training program to prepare you for the certification exam, but also the industry's most robust, in-depth hands-on lab and practice range experience as well. So if I just talk about the learn, so this training program includes 20 model covering various technologies, tactics, and procedures, providing prospective ethical hackers with the core knowledge needed to thrive in cybersecurity. So delivered through a carefully curated training plan that typically spans 5 days, obviously, but we are having a full combination, right? This is a official EC Council's module, so that's why they kept it 5 days of training, right? So the 12th version of a CEH continues to evolve to keep up with the latest OS exploits, tools, techniques. So, the concept of covered in this training program are split 50-50 between the knowledge-based training and hands-on application through our cyber range. So, every tactic discussed in the training is backed by step-by-step labs conducted in the virtualized environment with the live targets, live tools, vulnerable systems. Through our lab technologies, maybe every participant will have comprehensive hands-on practice to learn and apply their knowledge. So we are having 20 refreshed module, 3000 plus page you will have maybe. Then what is our course outline, we will just talk about that part as well. So the first module will be Introduction to Ethical Hacking, the second Footprinting and Reconnaissance, Scanning Networks and Enumeration. Then next will be our vulnerability analysis, system hacking, malware threats, sniffing, then social engineering, DOS, that is a good. Again, denial of services, session hijacking. Then we will also discuss avoiding IDS firewall and honeypots. Obviously, we will discuss what it is, but yeah, as of now, we are just giving an overview that what kind of topics we will cover. Hacking web servers again, right? Then module 14, where we will discuss hacking web application, SQL injection, hacking wireless networks, then hacking mobile platforms, IoT and OT hacking. What is OT? We will also discuss that part as well. Cloud computing, cryptography. So this is the module which we will cover into this particular course. So the next point is certify. So prove your skills and abilities with the online practical examination. So first of all, we will have some knowledge about the examination. Then we will, we will create our skills for that particular exam, and then we will get the certification. So basically, exam is a 4-hour exam with 125 multiple choice questions. This will be totally knowledge based exam, will test your skills in information security threats, attack vectors, attack detection, attack prevention, procedures, methodology, and many more. So you can access your exam blueprint for CEH as well. So you can also download from your portal if you have any kind of EC Council portal. But if you don't, then yes, you can just follow these steps as well. So yes, you will get the 4-hour multiple choice exam, 6 hours where you can say the 20 practical challenges, and you will be proof that you have cracked the master CEH examination. Then the third point is engage. ABCD is a nationwide ITES organization. So where we will get the realistic segmented networks, then DMZs and private subnets stretch across the infrastructure to the support various business units, various application servers and service support ABCD org operations. So real network, real operating systems, and real application we will get. So private dedicated access, but yeah, no shared resources. Then again, we will get the fully automated network deployment with EC Council Cyber Range, right? And it is 24/7 browser based access as well, right? So that is a engagement from the EC Council. And the last point, which is a compete, right? So compete until everyone knows you. So basically, as an ethical hacker, you will battle your way to the top of the monthly leaderships as you raise the clock in these 4 hours CTF challenge. So open all the month long. The choice is yours as to when you compete, but show up ready. So all you need is connection, compete through your browser. We provide the attack platform, the targets, and all the tools. You bring the skills to win, right? So there is any prerequisites. Maybe it's there you have the question that is there any prerequisites. All you need is a connection, and you can compete through your browser. We provide the attack platform and the target and all the requirement tools. You bring the skills to win. So overall, what is the exam at a glance for CEH? So there is an exam detail where you can get the exact scenario, that how many numbers of questions, that is 125 for MCQ examination, and the practical you will have 20 questions, right? Test duration, yes, 4 hours and 6 hours respectively. Then the test format will be the MCQ and iLab cyber range where you will get the exact atmosphere where you can execute these 20 questions answers or the solutions, right? Then test delivery will be the ECC exam view. You can give the examination from any portal, for you can EC Council or SPAN, and you can also use Pearson view as well for the EC Council's certified ethical hacking exam. Availability, no, in the MCQ exam there is no any availability for any kind of practical because there is no any practical. But yeah, in CEH practical you will get the SPAN iLabs exactly. And then exam prefix, where you can you can just give the examination code for 31250 or 31250 for view, or maybe ECC exams. And passing scores, yes, 70% is passing score. Obviously, if refers to you can just go through that website as well. So that's all for the certified ethical hacking program. And let's start our course. And yes, I hope you will enjoy this particular course, and all the best and happy learning.